Look at this poor puppy. Its fur is almost gone, it's extremely thin, and it looks like it's suffering from severe malnutrition. Before I tell you what happened, don't forget to like and follow for more animal rescue stories. A kind man found this helpless puppy shivering alone on a cold street. He immediately gave it clean water and rushed it to a veterinarian. The puppy received the treatment, medicine, and care it desperately needed. Day by day, it grew stronger. Its wounds started healing, and its fur slowly began to grow back. Now, this little fighter is finally recovering and living a much happier life. What would you name this brave puppy?